And we have this story. Swim coaches recommend a transgender division for athletes. Ali bloody Luya. Sorted. Doubles all round. It's that simple. The inclusion of transgender people into female sports cannot be balanced with fairness due to the retained differences in strength, stamina, and physique, the World Swimming Coaches Association statement reads. And they've called for a transgender division to account for men's biological advantages over women. It's so simple. Do you have a flyweight boxer fight a heavyweight? No. Why? Because there's a difference in physique, thus one is obviously going to knock the crap out of the other. It's a no contest. So what do? You have a flyweight division and you have a heavyweight division. So like against like creates a contest that is as much as you can make it fair. You then bring transgender women, men's bodies claiming to be women, into women's sport. They have all the physical advantages. They're going to win. Like this Leah Thomas, this female swimmer in a male body. So what do? You say, well, this is obviously not fair. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a women's section in different categories. We're going to have a men's section in different categories. And we're going to have a transgender category in which transgender men, or people who say they're women but they're in male bodies, can compete against each other on a level, fair playing field. That's sorted. That's all it takes. And the fact that that's not being done, certainly not yet, is testament to the fact that it's not about fairness. It's about an agenda. But then everything, unfortunately, comes down to that.